What? For the world, it's not a plan. Here we go on, man. Hey, yo. A franchise, the choosing one. The 10-star general. You don't know when I come to represent, you don't know a full effect thing. You don't know it go already, you know. When I aim up, you know, load up, crank up and sound the big thing them and drop necessary equipment. You don't know a loud explosion boat, yeah. Are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Hear me, man? Right about now, you know. We own a cigars a nation. Vibes Cartel #1 in England. Any weather. Number 3. #1 in England and #3 in England. Bumboclat. Here we go on now in Gaza nation. You see, after bumboclat this coming Monday, you see, after next Monday, because I think next Monday is Labor Day parade, you know. And I'm going to tell you if that song they are going to hit the billboard, you know, the international billboard chart. After next Monday, I'm going to make you know. Because you know the song dominate the parkway, or Labor Day. You know, say, well then. Is a billboard hit that. You know what I mean? But we're not going to send it up because we're going to watch and see what go on. Because coffee song are going good too. We don't know no lollipop thing. But when I really come to talk about, you know, I want to know how the government now say them not give out enough farmer words, no type of views about the Vibes Cartel case. You know what I mean? Them just have everything underneath big silence like that or nothing. You know what I mean? Don't go thing with hear where the man lawyer them say. You know what I mean? And the lawyer them make we know saying there's anything, you know. The government system, you know. The government people them are got the justice people them are gonna take a short break, you know. You know what I mean? And return back in October, you know. Remember the lawyer them make us hear about them stuff there, you know. All now, you know, we can't hear about nothing at all, you know, from the government, you know. Yo, Mr. Onis, you know, remember, you know, say Vibes Cartel sang in use and win the election, you know. Remember Vibes Cartel Clark's business they use and win the election, you know, my brother. I want to don't you know one turn in the back and dance all and go like dance all and do nothing for you, you know. That's where I'm dealing. And from you going in power until now, you know, nothing come out of your mouth about Vibes Cartel, you know, my brother. So Ninja Man, they run there, you know, help out the poor people, you know, till all people all from abroad are chipping and help him, you know. When I see that, you know, him asking papers because he want him documents to travel with and help the people them more. I want to do, no lock him down instead because it look like him have bigger influence on the people them than evil, you know. You see me, I just saw no go on and deal with it, you know. Watch out, man. The man them sell out, you know, the airport, you know, sell out the backside company. And come what they have to sell out the country, bumboclat country. And two bumboclat are wheel up the place from however. The man look like him out to sell out bumboclat too. Him no want the people them at Jamaica to use it. Especially the artists them. And bumboclat was a popular before bumboclat you see in bold. It was Bob Marley and bumboclat on Jamaica, you know, for all tourists, you know. And Andrew Onis, you know, I act like saying I'm popular than Barack Obama, the man who rascal create history in America, the first black bumboclat president. And when Barack Obama come to Jamaica, the man there in the White House, you know, my brother. Beside how much Congress and Senator, you know, and all of those rascal people, and me and all of those people, you know, my brother. And say Jamaica, me know who you know. Bob Marley, Lucien Bolt, Gwaan, bumboclat, jerk chicken. Yo, Andrew Onis, stop playing with poor people thing, you know, my brother. You see what I'm dealing. Furthermore, bumboclat supposed to be part of the tourism, you know. That furthermore, anything at all where the people them embrace all over the world, you know, for Jamaica, and you go like you want to hold it back and cut it off. Worse it have to do with enough. It have to do with poor people. Because you know nobody no really cuss bumboclat like poor people. Because even the people them claim them in a society, when them even say the word them sound stupid, no bumboclat. And a lollipop thing me I deal with, you know, knowing time me I represent, you know, a loud explosion thing, you know. You see what me I deal with? We want to know what gwaan with the Vibes Cartel scenery, you know. We're not too in the lollipop thing, you know, Mr. Honest. You lock your mouth and you not say nothing, you know. You know what I mean? So I want to know, you know, if we're not going to sell out all of the real people them in the country and the real thing them, what the real beneficiary to the country, that I want to know if that type of mission there on the depot, you know. One day, when he's a politician with on a mission to trample the people them in Jamaica. Mr. Honest Bumboclat was around before your Bumboclat grandfather born. So I don't know how you come in a power and go like you want to silence it. You can silence Bumboclat. Eh? You don't ban suck your mother but you go ban Bumboclat. How stupid is that? You see what I say? We are see the president, Barack Obama, in the White House, I translate them Bumboclat word there. Do you know how much country know about that word there since Barack Obama say all of those things there? All the country them wanna speak English. Boy have him interpret whereas translate Bumboclat them new. Translate it in a theme language that him can Bumboclat understand. And I say, whoa, that Barack Obama say that Jamaican deal with Bumboclat and find it funny. Call the Arab man them love it. And even a lollipop thing. I say the Arab man them love it. You see what I deal with? And make me address this quickly, you know. You have some local man, you know. We are going, you know, find some Bumboclat blogger channel, you know, my birthday. And see the man them live, you know. And I write up my name about 10 star. And I tell the man them go suck them mother. Yo, me no work them way there in a virgin. Me no go up no blogger channel, you know, man. Go write nothing bad underneath him Bumbok in him comment box, you know. Me no go up on him channel go write nothing bad nor good underneath him comment box, you know. You have a few bloggers who I'm affiliate with, you know. I keep it real, you know. Respect, yeah? I'm keep it real with the man them, you know. Say if them blogger they live, you know, me's a man I go up on the man them live, you know, and chat whatever I feel like, you know. You see what I deal with? I have some blogger where when time them sound the big thing them is a man, I go up on it and make a nice comment or whatever. Because I show respect to them man there. You see what I deal with? Because them man they do the same thing to me. You see what I deal with? But me no want a man feel like so well then him can use my name and not disrespect nobody because me no really roll away there. You see what I deal with? Me not go violate you if you not violate me. But me not afraid of no blogger. No blogger not have no blogger not have no words to defeat me dog. My build argument. You know see the way how I act. Me not afraid of no guy on YouTube, my brethren. Me not afraid to send up no man underneath where mother we out there. So me no want to think 10 star a lollipop thing, dog. So me no want a man to come and use my name for violate no blogger. Me no work that way, my brethren. So no get that straight, my brethren, and the youth them who do that, man, and stop that, my brethren. Not because you don't know so when 10 star drop necessary equipment or load explosion. Come on, the whole of YouTube understand. Don't fucking use my name, my brethren, for violate no blogger. Me no like it. Me not afraid of no blogger, my brethren. Me not afraid to send no man up underneath where mother we out there. You hear me? Or no scare of me. Watch it, you know, my brethren. A 10 star way I'm rolling, you know, my brethren. You know, deal with lollipop thing, you know. So no cut out that, you know. Make sure no cut out that, you know, right away, you know. And me hear some man, you know, run up on Rascal YouTube, you know. And claim say, you know, them a do them calling program and a chat about elite. Yo, only thing we don't gotta do, you know, violate the real artists, them, you know, my brethren. That's all we don't do, you know. And violate the real artists, them. The real artists, them who are elite, you know, them have them award, you know, for sure and prove that, you know, my brethren. Because I hear man all talk about Tamil and man I say him there on the borderline. You think of Chivada you talk about Batty boy. The style the man man like that, you know. Platinum Tommy Lee winning, you never see him show off him platinum plat. Alkali never do that yet. You wanna stop violate the real people, you know. Me sooner violate busy signal, you know. Sooner violate assassin, you know. Elephant man, you know. Baby shaman them youth there, you know. You not violate some man who sell double platinum and gold and all of them blood clot there, you know. For somebody who not even sell not even blood clot by me, you know, my brethren. But that me I talk about, you know. More wanna know say the artist who not boots up him career not tough like Mr. Vegas, you know. Because him not have nothing to prove that, you know, against the man, you know. You ever sell gold yet? Your album ever sell gold yet? Your song ever sell gold yet? You wanna stop violate the real people them, you know, my brethren. I let me tell you something, you know. You know the reason why this thing has stay like that, you know. Stop going like you don't want to push up people against Vybz Kartel. Them not have no competition whatsoever in a dancehall. The first dancehall ever see something like that. Bumboclat Vybz Kartel. You hear what I say? You don't understand yourself, you know. Make sure, you know. You know what you do, you know. And as me say, you know, Jamaica, you know, been known, you know, by Bob Marley and the famous bumboclat, you know. More you know bumboclat popular than every prime minister we ever run Jamaica, you know. You see what I deal with?
Hello.
I know lollipop thing, bumboclat, my general, what go on?
Yo.
Yeah, man.
What happened? Hello. Barbecue over here, so.
Yeah, man, lollipop thing, man. I want to know what go on, man. Hold on.
Yo.
Let me see what I deal with. You see what I deal with, you know I not deal with the lollipop thing, you know, real thing I deal with them, I sound the big thing, them and drop necessary equipment, you know a loud explosion thing. You know a 10-star way I roll, Gaza way, they ain't no other way. So when time my man them I run up on YouTube and I go out with them look a lollipop thing, I so I fix up them bumboclat thing there and stop violate real artists and stop violate foundation. Man, we already build foundation. All of them artists they wanna question about who no know. The man them no need a bumboclat hit song again in a them life. The man them already build a foundation that them can live off of them blood clot name because the work already done already. You not talk about some 18, 19 years, 17 years worth of blood clot work. And I go like say you can just come on YouTube and run on them out against the man them. We don't know lollipop self. You are the general, you know, the 10-star one, you know, represent, you know, and Gaza Nation, may I say, you know, we don't hear nothing at all about the bumboclat, the world boss, you know. And I say, Mr. Eunice, you know, use the man Clark's blood clot thing and win election. And say, when him win, him a go look into the Vybz Kartel bumboclat case. And him still a look out. Instead of in, so I want to know what kind of lollipop thing him a deal with. You know the general, you know, the 10-star one I represent, you know. And here me I represent, you know, a full effect thing, you know. And I say, for some look up who I go up on people channel and I call up my bumboclat name for disrespect people. I say, you to stop it, you know. Because 10-star and afraid for send no boy up underneath where mother wing out and I hear that. Watch. Gaza way and ain't no other way. Watch. The 10-star one in a full effect. Watch.